It's a rainy day here in the beautiful city of Ikeja Lagos, and I want to start by saying a beautiful congratulations to my smart real estate investors who keyed into the capital apartment at the off plan. We'll just quickly go in, show you what the unit of apartment is. So this is the completed project. So we are doing something that even times 3 of this at Ikeja. We're presently doing something at something of this nature also at Shortlet. I'll be showing you some of these things as we go. So please follow me and let's. All right, so we are still touring the capital apartment. So this is what the reception looks like, and I want us to go up so you can see what the lounge looks like. So the tour guide will be coming to show us. So this is what it looks like. So this is where bookings, confirmation, parking, everything concerning apartments. Now for inside here they happen. All right, so let's go in and see what the rooms looks like. All right, so this is our backup power system that guarantees 24 hours electricity. So you see we are not playing. My client's unit, it's locked, but I want to show you. So this is studio 1, studio 2. So this one is the finished version of what the studio looks like. Woo! Can you see? My client bought this when we started this project for just 48 million. And we're doing the same thing. We're presently doing it at Lady Loves in Surulere, and we're about to start a project like this also in Ikeja. So in case you might be wondering, look at what you can get. This is a studio apartment. As you can see, very, very guest friendly. The TV, everything. So you see, kitchen area, heat extractor. Look at your toilet and bath. He bought it at the construction stage. Right now, I think it's sold out. It's not no longer available. I'm even going to be doing a delivery that is more sophisticated. Let me show you what the semi-finish look like. So my client actually came in late, so he got this for 50 million. Though he made a preference that he wants to finish it by himself. So you see, for 50 million naira, that was last year price anyway. Look at what it's getting. So let's show you the other rooms very quickly. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the prototype of what the 1-bedroom looks like. What we are delivering here is what we're going to be doing at Ikeja and Surulere. Look at it. Look at this. Oh my word. Look at this. Imagine how your guests will feel. And the beautiful thing is that this is an academic environment. That is here, Yaba Tech is here, FC is here, Augustine College of Education is here, so many institutions. This is where the professionals, the tech guys, and that is why. So the client that owns this place right now, the estimated annual yield for this 1-bedroom apartment is between 10 to 11 million, and for the studio it's between 6 to 7 million annually. So this is what I meant when I say when you buy an apartment that works for you, this is way, way better than you buying lands in somewhere that you don't know what will even happen in the future. So this is what the beautiful guest rooms look like. This is heaven. And guess how much you sold this place? We sold this place for just 60 million. As at the construction, at every off-plan stage, we only have structures at the construction, pre-construction, and also at the finishing. So we are still going to finish it up, but I just wanted you to know. So this is the mini lounge, your dressing table, this is the TV, this is the bedroom, and of course the toilet and bath. All right, welcome to the bar and lounge of the capital apartment, Ikeja. Woo! It's been raining cat and dog today, but we have actually decided that we are going to, make sure that you get the best. We have not started running the Shortlet, but so this was, as you can see, look at the beautiful. So this is actually the bar tender space. Okay, imagine what this place will look like. Now, if we have been able to do this inside Ikeja Lagos, how much more do you think we will achieve in Ikeja and Surulere? As you can see from here, that is the third mainland bridge. Right from here, Ikeja Lagos is a very, very central location. So I just wanted you to see this video, that this is what we have done here successfully in Ikeja Lagos, and keying into either Larry Loft or Fairmont Lagos is going to be, because what you are seeing here is South Play compared to what we'll be doing. So just take it right through. Enjoy. All right, so I'm live here at the Fairmont Lagos Ikeja. So I want to say a very big congratulations to some of my investors who are presently making inquiries about this project. So that is the house over there. So we are yet to demolish it. But the people to demolish have come to check. So the demolition will be done between now and next week. So let me just show you the site so you can see. This is just the building. Okay, so we are demolishing the two structures and we're taking it 5 floors. Okay, behind us here, this is actually the airport road, and as you can see, from here to the airport is just less than 6 minutes. So this is actually a project you don't want to miss out on. So you'll be seeing the video of the inside because I wanted you to see. So let's just go in. So this is our proposed site. I wanted you to see. Of course, it's going down. We are building something, and I can assure you that what we have here is very, very similar, because Ikeja is a hotspot for real estate investment. And the good thing about this is that you have the opportunity to even spread your payment, which that opportunity is rarely available. So I wanted to show you the before. This is how it is now, and by the special grace of God, we'll be consistently coming to give you development updates. I know it doesn't look attractive here, but just give us 1 year. Okay, in 1 year you'll be amazed at this massive transformation that will be coming here. Okay, so you can get a 1-bedroom for a studio apartment for 70 million. You can get a 1-bedroom for 100 million. You can get a 1-bedroom loft for 125. 2-bedroom is available for 140 million, and 2-bedroom loft is available for 165. All payment plan. You can start with an initial deposit of 30% of the cost price, and you spread the payments maximum for 9 months. But if you are doing multiple units, we can work out a 1-year payment plan for you comfortably. Now, if I were you, I will buy multiple studios, because you see the airport is just behind us here. As you can see, the image of plane taking off. So this actually is an investment hotspot. The bookings will be coming here. The massive project will be coming here, and it's going to be a very massive. You have seen what we did at the capital apartment at Ikeja. You've seen how beautiful the studios were designed. You saw the 1-bedroom, how beautiful they were designed. You also saw the lounge. You saw how beautiful they are. Now that is for Ikeja. Imagine what we're going to be doing, because you know that the airport is very close to here. The guests experience here is going to be very, very massive, and it's something. So as you can see, it's a long land. What we have here is over close to 2 plots, and imagine what we'll be able to doing on the 2 plots of land. So it's going to be very, very massive. Okay, so be like my real estate investors who bought, and as you can see, we've not demolished. The whole structure is here. So by the time we demolish, okay, and we start setting up the foundation, we are going to review the price. So the price you are buying at demolition, before demolition is commencing, will not be the price you will buy when the foundation is. It will also be the same price you will buy when we are doing the decking, and of course it will not be the same price you will buy when the project is when it's almost completed. So enjoy the rest of the video. Enjoy the rest of the video. It's a rainy Tuesday evening here, and I want to say a very big thank you to everybody that have made inquiries about this project. This is Surulere, the heart of Surulere. And if you're familiar with Lagos, you will know that Surulere is one of the most demanded location, and I will tell you why. When you look at these are new buildings coming up, these are new structures, and this is one of the reasons why this place is very, very demanding. Why Surulere? Number one is a central location. From here to Ikeja is less than 20 minutes ride. From here to Third Mainland Bridge is less than 15 minutes ride. From here to other locations, when we talk about Victoria Island, we talk about key locations, Ikeja, Surulere is very, very prime. Another thing why you should not ignore Surulere is that a one-bedroom apartment in choice location like this is already being rented between 2 million to 3 million. And if you are looking for a two-bedroom apartment, depending on your taste, location, and the developer, is between 5 to 7 million naira. And property appreciation here grows on a very, very at a very, very steady rate. I gave an instance when I was at Ikeja, when I was making a video similar to this, that I helped an investor 2 years ago to buy a property in Ikeja, a two-bedroom for just 75 million. And today, that two-bedroom is selling for above 150, 170. And there's tendency that I may even hit 200. If you go to prime locations in Ikeja, two-bedroom is between 220. And the same thing is also similar to Surulere. And this is why project like this is very, very important. And this is why you should not ignore it. Now, the thing is that if you want to get a studio apartment, rental income is between 6 to 8 million naira if you own a studio. And if you want a one-bedroom, it's between 7 to 10 million naira if you own a one-bedroom apartment. And if you own a two-bedroom apartment, it's between 11 to 15 million naira. Because what we are building here is that we are not just building and handing over keys. We are building, we are managing, and of course, we are remitting annually through Shortlet investments. Like I said, take a look at the locations once again. Look at, so this is an existing locations that you cannot ignore. And this obviously is, so a one-bedroom presently is selling for 80 million if you are going for the unfinished, but if you want us to finish it for you to be ready for your Shortlet, is 88 million. A two-bedroom apartment unfinished is selling for 115, but if you want us to finish it for you, it's to sell for 127. If you want a studio apartment, an unfinished studio apartment is selling presently for 48 million. But if you want the fully finished, it's 54. Don't doubt us. We have done this successfully in several of our projects. If you have been to Capital Apartments, the reviews I'm getting from my real estate investors is so massive and so encouraging. So this is a project that you don't want to miss out on. Rental income here is very, very not just guaranteed, it is mouth-watering. So for more information about this, you obviously want to give us a call. Initial deposit is just 15 million and there's a payment spread of up to 9 months. Now, if you are doing multiple units, like maybe you want to buy 2 or 3 studio apartments, or you want to buy 2 or 3 units of one-bedroom apartment, you will find a way to make the payment plan very, very affordable for you. You'll be glad that you listen to me. Don't grow old without having a backup plan, and the best backup plan is real estate. Thank you. Cheers for now.